Welcome to our channel. If you want to leverage promotional emails to activate free trial periods for services you're interested in, follow these step-by-step instructions to capture and utilize these limited-time offers effectively. Step 1. Create a dedicated email address specifically for receiving promotional offers and service trials, helping you organize these opportunities separately from personal correspondence. Step 2. Visit websites of services you're interested in and enter your promotional email address in their newsletter sign-up forms, even if you don't subscribe immediately. Step 3. Adjust your email settings to ensure promotional messages aren't filtered to spam, creating rules to flag or label trial offers for easy identification. Step 4. Check your promotional email inbox regularly, as many trial offers have limited availability or strict expiration dates that require quick action. Step 5. When you receive a promotional email with a trial offer, read the entire message carefully to understand the trial duration, included features, and cancellation requirements. Step 6. Click directly on the redemption link within the promotional email rather than visiting the service's website separately, as the email link often contains tracking parameters that activate the special offer. Step 7. Complete the registration process promptly while the promotional email is still valid, entering your information and any required payment details for trial activation. Step 8. Save the promotional email in a designated folder for reference, especially if it contains unique codes or important cancellation information you may need later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.